Hi guys, this is going to be a really short video, hopefully, because I can ramble on sometimes. So this is, my chart is really noisy, but I use all these levels for trading, but I wanted to show you the power of free tools. So when you go down here, the fixed range volume profile, this is what I used to get, might as well just delete this and do it all over again. So I went back to the 5th, I think, or the 6th of January, just there when we entered this range down there. Just wait for it to load. Alright, so you can see here's the value area low. Now this highlighted color area, that's the value area. So this is the value area low and the value area high. And that red line is the point of control. So first of all, that was my trade that I took from that level there. So just zoom in a bit and then I'll show you how easy it is, because your Fibonacci from the bottom here to the top there, sorry, it was another Fibonacci, not that one. It was that one from that bottom there, from that low there. In the golden pocket there, just crossing the 618, and that was my trade. So here is just free tools. So that TPO range value area low is from another template. That's a paid template, the EXO charts I use, but you didn't need that because you've got your value area low here as well in confluence with that Fibonacci or the golden pocket, and that's all you need. You need a confluence of two levels to take a trade. Now for today, so you can still see the same point of control, that red point of control for today. We dropped down here. I had 4 levels in confluence here. There were 2 levels there and 2 levels there, but Bitcoin hardly ever respects a level to the dollar. Well, you've seen that in one of my previous videos. I'm not going to go back there now. But what we have here is that blue there. Let's just zoom in a bit. So there you have a daily. So I've showed you how to do the daily. You have the that point of control, the fixed range tool point of control, the weekly opened. I showed you yesterday how to get that. So that gives you 3 levels, or confluence of 3 levels there to take this trade. So no need for paid tools. You can do a lot with free tools. And then I just wanted to show you again, okay, the value area high. Let me just go back to this. There you can see the value area high. It's still on. There's the value area high in confluence with the weekly level. You know how to get a weekly level. Just look at that respect there. That's resistance, and we've stopped there, and now it's battling this TPO range value area highs that I get from the pay template. But once again, look, it comes back, it finds support there, and now it's in a little battle between that level and those 2 levels there. So a really short video just to show you you don't need to spend money or pay fees to actually trade. So you can't save a lot on this on TradingView when you have the free or the beginner version, but you have the ability to have taken these trades, and that was the first take profit would have been the daily value area low and the previous day low. The previous day low you could have done on free version, and that VWAP. So there's a confluence of 2 levels there. So that was your trade that you could have taken around there. So when it wicks through, so the right way to do it, we're on the 15 minutes. So the wick through, you wait for it. If you have levels here, it goes through it, you wait for it to pull back above your level, and there's the place where you can enter. A lot of people don't say exactly where, and I get so frustrated when I was learning where should I enter this trade, because it's so difficult, because things happen really fast when this week goes down and it pulls back really fast. But then you got to sit with your finger on the button, and when it crosses back over your levels to the positive, then you take the trade. Obviously if it's a short, it shoots through. When it comes down, there was a scalp trade there, easy, but definitely not a big trade. But scalp trading is a bit more difficult. So when it pulls back over into the positive, back over your level, that's when you take the trade. There's a confluence of of levels there, definitely take profit one day, but that's already a really good trade up to there. And then the daily open you've got, that's free as well, so there will also be another take profit, smaller take profit. You don't have that level for free, but then there's a big take profit, definitely. Right, already rambled on for too long. Hope this makes sense, and please leave a comment. Sometimes it feels like I'm talking to myself. If you want me to make more of these videos. Alright, enjoy the weekend. Cheers.